And like the rising sun, my eyes fixed on you, rise to you. Your new dawn in my heart now sings a new song, and it's beating loud. Your strength in my mind is fortified, flying high like eagle's eye. Your wellspring in my life pouring out, overflow from my lungs, hear me shout. It is time to rise, and I feel like I'm ready for you to open that door. I feel like I'm ready for you to give me more. I feel like I'm ready for us to win this war. If you wait patiently, you'll hear a voice whispering, and I will find you. I will find you in the middle of this madness, marching through this barricade, breaking this cage, breaking into a different day, and breaking off these curses. Don't want them in my house. These are the hours that I've been talking about. Take control of your mind. It's waking up time. It's waking up time. Here it comes, and let the mighty river roar, and let the mighty river pour, and let the mighty river flow, flow some more. Been running from wolves and the hunger, crossing wild plains and frozen tundras. Sun waking my heart from the slumber. I'm looking for my lover, the one my heart holds dear. Adonai, light my years. These are the days the sons of thunder play, yo. Hearts buried like seeds in the ground, resurrecting to the ground. Wild lion heart rolls. These tricksters, hyenas and wolves, they bow, remembrance under the full moon. You and me and I and you, and you and me and I and you. Hearts alive, here we fly, here we come, and like the rising moon, your heart beats fully for me, and I am with you. And like the rising moon, my heart will rise is to